My name is Ida Francis, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a hair spray that will actually help promote hair growth if you are having challenge in that area. This is something that I have been using, so I just decided to share it with you today so you can actually try it out and tell us how it works. Okay, so I've actually been using it on my hair and you can see how lovely and long my hair is. Okay, so if you have a private hair questions, please kindly send me a DM on my Instagram and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. Okay, so without further ado, or too much ado, or what ado, let's go right into the video. What we're going to be needing is mint leaf. Mint is actually very good when it comes to promoting hair growth. It's actually regarded as the king of hair growth treatment. Okay, so you can actually get mint from your local grocery store or in the market anywhere close to you. The antioxidant properties in mint actually help stimulate and promote hair growth by sending blood circulation to your scalp, strengthening your hair follicles, preventing your hair from breakage, from falling, and it also prevents premature graying. So what I actually have, I didn't measure this out, just a little of the mint, because when it comes to DIY, it's always good to have a little of it so that you actually have them fresh. What I have here is the rosemary leaf. This is actually the dry rosemary leaves. If you can lay your hands on the fresh one, that will be awesome. Rosemary as one of your hair care regimen helps counter hair loss because it has high anti-inflammatory and a lot of nutritional benefit in it, which is actually excellent in promoting blood circulation to your scalp, nourishing your hair follicles, and also makes your hair thicker, fuller, and also give you a good shine. It also prevents your hair from drying out, thereby giving you moisture all day round. I'm going to add this into my pot because I actually need the juice for the spray, and I'm not just going to measure this, but I'm just going to add, I'm going to eyeball this, that's what I mean. Okay, I'm just going to add 250 ml of water. This is just tap water. Then I'm going to boil this together for like 20 minutes with low to medium heat. Once that is done, I'm gonna be right back and I'll just show you how I'm gonna make the rest of the process. Okay, after preparing the rosemary, this is like what we have, and I'm just going to transfer this into my spray bottle. After doing that, I'm going to take some of the leaves and add it, the leaves and the rosemary, and add it to my spray bottle so that they can continue to infuse. So you're just going to spray this on your hair. So just saturate your hair. Is it saturate your hair with this spray? Okay, then I usually use my hands to like evenly distribute the stuff and to massage my scalp at the same time so that it will actually promote hair growth. Okay, so after using this, you can choose to wash it off and you can choose to leave it until your wash day. What I usually do is that I don't wash it off, so I leave it on my hair until it starts working and growing. So there's no point in me washing it off. It's just like a normal hair spray. Okay, so thank you so much for watching up to this point. I believe this was actually helpful. If you have further questions, I mean in areas that you think that I did not cover while recording this video, because it happens, please kindly let me know in the comment section down below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, and also like this video if you find it helpful in any way. Okay, feel free to subscribe, it is free, and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. You will always be notified when I post new videos if you click the notification bell. Okay, until another time when I will come your way, my name is Ida Francis. Bye. I love you and you know it.